This is a verb unit recap lesson to be used with a review. Your keywords are verbs, action verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs, and verb parts. Okay, verbs are the part of speech that show action or state of being. They come in 3 different types, and they can change in time, tense, mood, voice, and number. Action verbs is the first type of verb there is. These can be either transitive or intransitive, and they show action. Words like run, jump, fly, things that are physically or mentally done. Action verbs, like we said, come in transitive and intransitive. This means that a transitive verb is a verb with a direct object, which is a who or what that receives the action of the verb. For example, Johnny threw the ball. Johnny threw what? The ball. The ball is the direct object, therefore threw is transitive. Intransitive verbs don't have a direct object. Linking verbs connect the subject, the who or what the sentence is all about, to another word that identifies or describes the subject. The most common type of linking verb is a be verb, words like am, is, are, was, were, or be. You also have helping verbs. These are verbs that help other verbs form tense and meaning. They form a verb phrase, and a verb phrase is all the verbs and their modifiers that are found in a single sentence. Verb phrases are made with helping verbs, and these that are made with helping verbs have both helping verbs and main verbs. And the main verb is the one that shows the action or state of being going on in the sentence. There are 4 verb parts. These parts are used to create or show verb tense or time. The present makes the present tense and shows things happening right now. The past makes the past tense and shows things that have already happened. And the present participle is used in a verb phrase with a helping verb plus the present participle, which ends in ing. And the past participle is also used in a verb phrase with a helping verb and the past participle, which looks just like the past tense form of a verb. What the past tense and the past participle form of a verb will look like varies dependent on whether or not the verb is regular or irregular. These are all things that you have already gone over in the briefest form I can manage to this point in this unit. What you need to do right now, use this lecture to review the concepts we've already studied so far in our verb unit. Then use the practice test on Edmodo to practice the skills we've learned so far. And study this lesson and prepare for a review game. There will be prizes for the winning team in class.